Good morning, everyone. I am Kamalpreet, your science teacher. I welcome you all to join science class. Today, I am going to start first chapter, crop production and management. It is biology chapter. In this chapter, we will study about crops, different types of crops, different steps and implements involved in crop production. We should know that agriculture is the science deals with the growth of plants and animals for human use. Agriculture is the world's largest and the most important industry. It is still the major occupation of people in our country, with nearly 62% of population engaged in this sector. In this chapter, we will study how crops produced food which we consume. Life needs food. Dear students, you, me. Plants, animals and all are living organisms. All living organisms require energy to carry out various body functions such as growth, development and body repair. This energy is obtained from food. You know that plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But animals, on the other hand, can make their own food. Instead, all animals, directly or indirectly, depend on the plants for their food. Till 10,000 BC, people were traveling in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They obtained raw fruits and vegetables or hunted animals for their food. It was very difficult for them to gather food. To solve this problem, they started growing same type of plants at one place. This marked a new era in the history of humans. From food gatherers, they turned into food producers. And the practice of farming and cultivation of the crop is called agriculture. As compared to age-old practices, today agriculture practices are much more improved. But still the food production is insufficient to meet the demand of population, so there is still a need of improvements. Plants of the same kind grown at one place on a large scale are called crops. We all know that India is a very big country. From region to region, we can find different climatic conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall. Different crops require different conditions for their growth. We can find varieties of crops from region to region. India is top producer country of many crops. The major crops in India can be divided into four categories. Crops which are grown for commercial purposes are called cash crops. Examples: cotton, jute, rubber, sugarcane. Crops which are grown for food are called food crops. Examples: cereals and pulses. On the basis of season, we can classify the crops into two groups. First is the kharif crops, the crops which are sown in rainy season. In India, rainy season is from June to September. Examples are rice, maize, cotton, groundnut, etc. Second is the rabi crops, the crops which are sown in winter season. In India, winter season is from October to March. Example: wheat, mustard, pea, linseed, etc. Tomorrow we will discuss about agricultural practices.